In this guide, I'm going to show you guys how to fix DoorDash not working. Let's get started. First thing you want to do is check the server status of DoorDash. For that, launch your preferred browser, navigate to the website down detector, search for DoorDash. If you found out any outages, wait until the problem will be restored from the end. If not, you can follow other steps. Check your internet connection. Make sure you have stable internet connection. Switch between Wi-Fi or cellular data. Also give a first restart to your router. Next up, first close the DoorDash app and relaunch it. Likewise, check for app update. So head over to App Store or Play Store. Then search for the app DoorDash. Once app appears, if you find the option of update, click on it and update the app to its latest version. Next up, clear cache for the app. So launch settings. Go to General, go to iPhone Storage. From the list of apps, find DoorDash and launch it. Click on Offload app and confirm it. Then click on Reinstall app. Likewise, give a first restart to your device and try shining again. The problem will be resolved. So that's it. If this guide helped you out, do not forget to like, share, and subscribe.